Introduction. Hello everyone and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. I'm Lata.
And I'm Raju. In today's lesson, we are going to practice a very useful topic, shopping.
Shopping is something we all do, whether it's buying food, clothes or something else. Knowing the right English phrases will make shopping much easier for you.
That's right. Today, we'll learn useful words, common phrases, and then listen to a role play in a clothing store.
Vocabulary: useful words. Let's begin with some shopping words. Repeat after us. Shop, store. Customer. Seller, cashier. Price. Expensive. Cheap. Money. Cash. Credit card.
Great! These are the basic words you need when shopping.
Useful phrases. Here are some very useful sentences for shopping. How much is this? I'm looking for a shirt. Do you have this in a larger size? That's too expensive. Can I pay by card? I'll take it.
Perfect! Now let's use these phrases in a real conversation.
Role play at the clothing store. Hello, excuse me. I'm looking for a t-shirt.
Sure, we have many t-shirts. What color are you looking for?
I'd like a blue one, please.
Here you go. This is a blue t-shirt.
It looks nice. How much is it?
It's $20.
Oh, that's a bit expensive. Do you have something cheaper?
Yes, this one is only $12.
Great. Do you have it in a larger size?
Yes, here is a larger size. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. It fits well. I'll take it.
Perfect. How would you like to pay?
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Please insert your card here.
Done. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye. Review.
So, what did we learn today? We learned how to ask about the price. How much is this? Ask about size. Do you have this in a larger size? Talk about expensive and cheap items. Pay with cash or card.
That's right. With these sentences, you can shop confidently in English. Practice tip. Here's your homework. 1. Write down 3 sentences about shopping. For example, I want to buy a shirt. How much is this? Do you have it in another color? 2. Practice them every day until they feel natural. Call to action.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to give it a like.
And subscribe to our channel for more weekly English lessons. See
See you
you
in the
in the
next
next
lesson.
lesson.